I have 342 subscribers. And I already know what you're thinking. I already know you're thinking, why is this clown so excited about 342 subscribers? Well, I'm going to tell you why and how what it means for me is going to help you. And it's coming up right now. You really want to know why I'm excited about 342 subscribers? Because I started at 0. You really want to know why I'm excited about 342 subscribers? Because that's 342 people. That is proof that what I am teaching is resonating and it's working and it's valuable to them. I already knew it was valuable to me because I put what I'm teaching to work in my own life and I see the growth. I see the results. But 342 people says, yeah, what you're saying is worth it and what you're saying is valuable. Why am I excited about 342? Because those 342 people know people. Why am I excited about 342 subs? I get to walk in my purpose. I get to fuel my passion because I get to take advantage of a profit opportunity in the market, several billion-dollar industry online education market. Why am I excited about 342 subscribers? Because I get to share my Cura Circle, the community that I built to help women start, build, and profit online. Why am I excited about 342 subscribers? Because every time they come to me and they need a word of encouragement or a step or something that they can do to keep going and don't give up, I'm able to connect with them on a personal level, like respond to them in the comments. Why am I excited about 342 subscribers? Because 342 is going to be 3,042, 300,042, 3,000,042. It's a 10X. It's a 10X for me. I'm excited. And what I'm excited about is what you can be excited about too. Start from where you are. You do not have to start with a lot for it to be valuable. You don't have to start with a lot for it to mean something. You don't have to start with a lot. Start with what you have. That's what Little Oil is all about. That's why I created the Little Oil movement, and that's why I'm building the Little Oil brand. It comes straight off the pages of 2 Kings 4. The widow with the little oil, her husband died and left her in an incredible amount of debt. She was out of money. She had nowhere to go. She had no options. She had no plan. She asked the prophet Elisha, her husband's mentor, what do you think I should do? And he replied with a question. He didn't reply with, we're going to raise an offering. He didn't reply with, we're going to go ahead and create some lamb dinners, fried lamb with a side of fries and a piece of it. He didn't reply with any of those things. He replied with something that was going to sustain her. And his reply was actually a question. And he asked her the same thing I'm asking you right now. What do you have in your house? What do you have? She had a little oil. So he said, go get your oil, the little that you have. And then he said, go borrow some jars from your neighbors. And she got the oil that she had, the little bit. It was there the whole time. I promise you it was there the whole time. That's a video for another day. And he said, now you have your jars, fill them up and go sell it. The very next scripture says she sold the oil, settled her debt, and lived off the rest with the little oil. So if she could take her little oil, no internet, no Amazon, no UPS store, no social media, if she can take her little oil and build legacy wealth, I'm pretty sure you can. You have internet, UPS store, Amazon, social media, a computer, a phone. If you don't have all the equipment and a nice microphone and a platform with a soundboard and 2 screens, take this, press record, start talking. Make sure that what you're saying is a solution for your audience who needs that solution, and grow. Why am I telling you this? Because I know that all the things that are in your head that's stopping you and blocking you, they need to be dealt with. Don't ignore your problems. Don't ignore the small voices in your head that says you can't do it. Little oil means much when God is in it. What are you going to do with your little oil? What little oil, Angela? Well, let's start with the few followers that you have. I don't care if it's 2. Serve them. Let's start with the title of the book that you have. I can work with that. Let's start with the bullet points. The only thing you have for your coaching program is the bullet points. You can make $1 million just from that. Not tomorrow, though. I'm never getting ready to lie to you and tell you you're going to have an idea one day and $1 million tomorrow. That's not how it works. And if anybody is telling you that, be very leery. Question it. And if they can, bless them. Try that. But what I'm giving you is something that's going to be sustainable for you, so that even when you do make your $1 million, and you will in time, even if you lost it, you'll be able to build it up all over again because you're building something sustainable. It's called a system. The system is the solution, Michael Gerber said. The system is the solution. And so what am I saying to you? 342 and growing. Why am I excited about that? Because I'm doing the same thing that I'm telling you to do. Start with what you have. Build on what you have. It really, truly does work. So in the Little Oil Challenge, where we will do this work inside my Kira Circle, we're going to do this work in 5 moves. There are 5 moves to get you to from where you are in your head with your little to making a sustainable income, to making and growing legacy wealth. There are 5 moves. Think, create, build, act, and capture. And we do those things in 5 days. It's not going to be anything elaborate, but you don't need anything elaborate to make money right away and make money confidently. What I'm saying to you, in 5 days, you're going to have what you need to start making money online. Just start making money online and grow to your $1 million from there. That is the best way to do it. Join the Little Oil Challenge inside the Kira Circle, and we will get to work so that you can make your offer, so that you can start making money online with confidence. Wherever you are, whether it's 3, your 342 that you already have, or 3,042, or 3,042,042. Don't you want a rinse and repeat system to grow from there? Then you should probably join the challenge. I'm Angela Tessano. I'm so glad you are here. In the meantime, always be creating. Bye for now. Are you tired of struggling to make your dream of financial freedom a reality? Imagine turning